Welcome to visualsmarket.com. We are a multimedia company aimed at serving you with products, services, and information for content creators, small businesses, and entrepreneurs worldwide. Today's video is on how to start your own social media marketing agency. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us to grow and get our information out to more people. We greatly appreciate it. Now, let's dig in. How to start your own social media marketing agency. Are you a social media enthusiast looking to turn your passion into a career? Well, you're in the right place. The world of social media marketing is worth hundreds of billions of dollars and growing at a rate of 35% annually. It's a highly profitable industry, with endless opportunities for new entrepreneurs. But, what exactly is a social media marketing agency? These are businesses that use social media platforms to market, advertise, and communicate with their target audience. From Facebook to Instagram, Twitter to LinkedIn, the possibilities are endless. Social media marketing can be used for a variety of purposes, from increasing brand awareness to driving traffic to your website. So, why should you start your own agency? For starters, you'll have control over your business and be able to choose your clients and develop your own strategies for success. You'll also have more freedom to work your schedule around your social media marketing. And, the more time you commit to your business, the more income potential you'll have. But, before you jump in head first, there are a few things to keep in mind. Research other agencies in your area to get an idea of what they're doing well. Choose clients that align with your core interests and values. Make sure you have a solid routine and schedule for yourself to avoid burnout. And, most importantly, ensure there is a demand for your services. Starting your own social media marketing agency can be a highly rewarding and profitable venture. With the right research, clients, and time management, you can turn your passion for social media into a successful career. Thanks for watching. And for staying this long, we encourage you, our audience, to check out Clickdesigns. Create beautiful, professional graphics in minutes. One-time payment, no monthly fees. Link is in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. If you received any value, please like and subscribe to our channel. Also, go to visualsmarket.com for more products, services, and information.